Hi, I'm Dave Derr. This is one of our recent products. It's a high-frequency treatment box called a DerrEsser. We basically took the DS section, the dynamic section, from our EQ, our LilFrEQ, and expanded it some, improved the performance with a 4-layer circuit board. It's pretty simple. You basically have a threshold which determines the amount of processing that occurs. You have a bypass switch, which is obvious. It just basically bypasses the signal straight through. We have two modes of operation. One is a standard DS function. Now, this function basically compares the high frequency content to the low frequency content. So if you have a 2 dB, 3 dB difference between the low frequencies and the high frequencies, and you set the threshold to respond at that point, it doesn't matter if the overall level is up here or down here, it just looks at this difference. That's the standard DS function. When you push in this switch, the second switch, you go to a high frequency limiter section, and this basically turns it into a simple high frequency knee compressor. That basically is, we think, one of the first knee frequency dependent compressors. You basically set a frequency here that you want to affect above, and then you adjust your threshold, and it's very, very smooth. It doesn't care about the difference between the high frequencies and low frequencies, only about the amount of high frequencies. And again, very simple to use. The attack and decay are preset. We spent a long time setting those. And essentially you set your threshold and your frequency and you're off and running. Just a couple other details. Unlike the DS section in our LilFrEQ, this has a listen function, so you can tune in to the frequencies you're affecting. All the LEDs light up showing that you're in a special mode. Or you can use it as a high pass, or press this button, a low pass, a very high performance low pass with a sweepable crossover point. And that's about it.